Students, today I am going to explain using action button. So let's start PowerPoint application, and I am using my example presentation. Already made it. Yes, there are 3 slides, and today's topic is using action button. So let's start this topic, action button. So select the slide from panel, any slide. I am selecting here first slide. Okay, select the slide and go to the insert tab and click on shapes. A drop down menu will appear with many shapes, and you can apply this action button. This is action button. Okay, and I just click on action button and draw. Right click, left click the mouse and draw it, and you can link with the slide which you want to link. Okay, the slide will be linked, and now I am going to apply it. Okay, run the slide, go to the slide, show option menu bar and beginning, and click on it. The slide will come according to your clicking. So today this topic is using action button. Okay, you can apply it easily. Once again, slide show, beginning, and click on it. See, I am clicking on the option. Yes, the next slide will come, which is linked by you from the option. Okay, this is the way to use action button. Once again, I am using and I am applying the action button from slide 2. Insert tab, shapes, go to down bottom of the dialog box and apply it, and left mouse button click and draw it, and slide, select the slide which you want to link, last slide, and OK. Now slide show, click next slide, click next slide. Okay, this is the way to apply the action button in PowerPoint. Thank you. Have a nice day.